how to create Dolly Zoom effect using just your phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application and then you will find several templates for each kind of video these days. So what you will have to do is go to the template section, then simply go to your search bar and then search for Dolly Zoom, and here you can find several mm, templates. All you have to do is select the one that you think will best fit for you, and then all you have to do is enter that video or export your video or photo into that template and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.